this is page 3. Page 3 for your social studies notebook, page 3. And we are going to write a note about our issues. And we have 4 different that we concentrate on. We have our economic, so that is anything related to the money for the country. We use our money sign for that. We also know that any issue that deals with the money that government and society makes and spends. Then you have our social issues. We represent that by our little stick figure people. So when we come up with an issue of the country that has to deal with the society, it is our social issues. And this deals with any issues that involves the citizens of the country. Now, our next is our political issues. Our political issues have to deal with our government. And we chose that a flag would represent any issues that deal with the government. So that is our symbol that we use in our reading. And this is any issues that deal with the politicians and leaders of the country. Then we have our environmental. Now, our environmental issues is anything that has to deal with our environment, with Mother Earth. And we drew little trees to represent if it's environmental issue. And the environmental is any issues that involve with nature, geographical features, weather included. So if it has to deal with pollution, tearing down trees, dirtying waters, air, that's all nature. So you have to think, let's use pink. So we're dealing with you're looking at air, water, land, course, fire can be part of that. But think of the Avatar, The Last Airbender, right? These were all the main 4 areas, and it all dealt with our environmental issues. So if there's a pollution of any of these, if there's a fire that destroys trees, flooding that destroys buildings, this is all environmental issues. So this is your page 3. Remember, we use this in class every day for our subjects. These are the issues. So we have our economic, social, political, and environmental. Those are the 4 main issues for any country that we study.